Today I'm going to be showing you a trade that I placed on July the 8th, 2012. It was on the GBP-USD, the cable, the fiber, the pound-dollar currency pair. It was a 60-second option, which is what I like to take. And even with the new changes that have come to the 24-option platform, it's still a fun way to move quickly in a trade and to profit quickly as well. Or you could also lose money, so be very careful how you proceed and make sure you have a good trading plan and a good strategy and a lot of probability in your favor before taking these options in whatever time frame you choose. Anyway, back to the actual trade. So as you can see, it was a put option with a market price of 1.54832 and the target price being 154.845. So a good, just over 1 pip winner. Good trade, especially in the 60-second world. If you get anything over 3 to 4 tenths of a pip, it's excellent in the 60-second options world. Let's get into the chart work, shall we? So as you can see over here, I have my MetaTrader chart, and I have this new indicator that I'm going to be demonstrating later on in some videos called the Indie Buffet. It's a show that I've been putting on right here on the channel. Basically demonstrates a bunch of indicators that some of them you already have in your trading packages, whether that's MetaTrader, NinjaTrader, TradeStation, or whatever you plan to be you're using. These indicators will pretty much come standard with any charting package. And I'm also going to be demonstrating some custom indicators that are designed for MT4 because that's primarily what I trade. So as you can see right over here, I have these two pink lines, these parallel lines forming this trend channel. And it's a great indicator, and I'm going to be demonstrating that later. But as you can see, the trend line was drawn through this high over here and this high over here. So basically where I took my trade was right on this candle, and this candle ended up being red. So why did I take this trade? It was quite clear that it would hit this trend line, but I didn't want to jump into the trade because one, the Bollinger Band had not been hit, and usually I like to wait for that Bollinger Band play. So I waited until a red candle to confirm my position. Also, I wanted to see the stochastic slump down as well as the RSI, which both of those did. And finally, the one that I really used, it was this Forex prediction indicator as well. I'm going to be reviewing this too. I like using it for the time frame analysis, which is right over here, but I also use it for the buyers and sellers. This gives me a good idea of where buyers and sellers are positioning themselves within the market. And this doesn't take into account whether it's a scalper, a day trader, a swing trader, a position trader. It doesn't matter about all that. What they're focused on is what are the buyers to the sellers percentage, and so and that's current market info. And I really like that because it provides a useful picture of what's going on in the market at that moment, comparatively to a tick chart, which you just see going up and down, and you hopefully pick the right direction. So that's pretty much it for this video. The keys were really, I guess, if I wanted to leave a lesson for myself and you want to share in this too, just follow the candlesticks, follow your moving averages, and pay attention to what's going on in the chart. You can draw trend lines, you can draw support and resistance lines, but if they aren't, you have to wait until they're confirmed. I mean, this ended up being confirmed and it worked out great, but this may have been broken through and it would have continued on, and I would have been prepared because there was the Bollinger Band up ahead. So just take your time, trade in the direction of the trend, and you should be fine. Anyways, that's it for this video. I'd just like to remind you to like, comment, share, and subscribe all of these videos and the videos over at the Happy Forexer channel. Don't forget, if you don't have a 24-option account, there's a link in the description down below, and it will take you to 24-option, and from there, you can ask for a demo account once you fund your account, which you can reuse and reuse and reuse no matter how many times you flatten it, to keep practicing binary options until you become comfortable in whatever strategies you like, whether that's 60-second binaries, 15-minute expiries, whether that's trend lines, support lines, whether that's indicators galore, or whether that's pure price action, or a combination of all of those things. Once you get to that level and you're confident in yourself, you can go to live and you'll hopefully profit as well. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.